Hi class, my name is Shanta Ashby and I did my thematic unit over insects. It's going to be for the grade level, the 3rd grade level. My subjects that I touched base with are language arts. I did math, art, and science. The different instructional activities I included. I did one over comparing and contrasting different insects. The kids are going to do a lesson about that. I did another one where we read bug poems. We read a book about bug poems, and the kids created their own. For another one, for math, we practiced odd and even numbers with one of the books. Had a thing about counting beans, so we did counting beans with odd and even numbers. We did another one practicing math problems with little butterflies. Then we also created symmetry work. We did some symmetry work. We made little insects out of the children's names. Another instructional activity that we did, we created original pieces of artwork. We actually included 2 in the lesson. One of them, the children actually make tissue paper flowers and talk about pollinating insects and how wonderful they are for our environment. Another one, we read The Grouchy Ladybug by Eric Carle, and the kids create their own ladybug collage. Then with science, we touch base with the life cycle of the butterfly. We read this book and it tells us all about the life cycle. Then we also do the parts of the insect, and we use a pop-up book about the bee, and we learn about the parts of the insect, what make them up, at the head, the thorax, and the abdomen. With our knowledge that we learn, we take it outside and we go discover our own insects, and we make up our own collection. The kids will draw sketches of their own, put them in their science journal, and all the additional facts that they learn. One of the lesson plans that I include in my unit includes about sequencing. With that one, we use The Very Hungry Caterpillar, again by Eric Carle. We use this one. We learn how to sequence the events. We also use it for butterflies. We learn how to sequence life stages of the butterfly. Then we also draw conclusions with one of my other lessons. And then the other one, we learn about the elements of a story. And that concludes my unit. Thank y'all for looking.